5 months ago, I opened the chat window and typed, "Is this the proper channel to build an AI agent assistant?" I didn't know what a VPS was. I didn't write code. I had never heard of OpenClaw, N8N, or webhook. Today I run 9 AI agents, 24 hours a day on servers I manage myself. And they help run 3 real businesses, not demos, not side projects, a real estate practice, an auto repair shop, and rental properties. This video is how that happened and why I think you can do it too. If you're willing to train, quick context, because it matters for what it comes next. Hello, my name is Basilia, and I live in Northeast, the United States. I wear a lot of hats. I'm a bilingual realtor, English and Spanish, serving families in New Jersey. I own an auto repair shop with my husband. I manage rental properties. I feed chickens. I'm busy, and I have a very busy life, which means the standard advice, just be more organized, use the planner, has never worked for me. It does one thing at a time, done well, then next. So when AI agents started becoming real, I didn't see a toy. I saw the missing hat. So something that could hold the boots open so I didn't have to. Here's the part nobody shows you. The training. Okay, so come February. I start from zero. My first question to an AI was literally asking if I was in the right place. I learned what a server is. I read one. I learned to SSH into it from an iPad because that's what I had in my hands in YouTube shop. Come March, I build my first 2 bots. One monitors my emails for new MLS listings, scrapes the details, matches them against my client's criteria, and pings me. The other drafts social content and follow-up. I import 600 contacts and tag everyone by language preference so Spanish-speaking clients get their information in Spanish. Then I hit the wall everyone hit. Platforms. SMS providers rejected my signups. I had verification leaks. Business email required. I got told no by 3 different telecom companies. I didn't quit though. I rerouted, and that's a skill. Rejection tolerance is a skill. So, spring comes along. I discover an open source agent framework and make a hard call. Throw away my custom bots and rebuild on something scalable. Killing your own work because something better exists. That's training too. May comes along. My AI provider has an outage in the middle of the night. My agents just stop. My agents malfunctioned and spawned over 400 garbage tickets into my system before I catch it. I could have concluded AI isn't ready. Instead, I diagnosed it, fixed the configuration on 7 agents, added alerts so it can't happen silently again, and hardened the whole server, firewall, intrusion protection, lockdown access. That outage taught me more than any course could. You don't really own a system until it breaks, and you're the one who fixes it. Then June comes along. 9 agents, each with a name and a job role. A chief of staff, a developer, a CFO, a property ops agent handling tenant communications, a marketing agent. My auto repair shop's phone is answered by an AI receptionist. My real estate site has bilingual net proceeds calculator. I shipped myself. I'm not a developer. Let me be clear about that. I don't handwrite code. I operate at the architect level. I decide what gets built, AI generates the code and I test, deploy, and fix it. When it breaks, that role didn't exist 3 years ago. Now it's the most valuable seat at the table for a small business owner. Because here's what I've learned running this across 3 businesses. AI doesn't replace the operator. It multiplies the operator. Every hour I used to spend on tenant texts, missed calls, lead follow-ups, social drafts, an agent handles it now. And I review. That's it. My time goes to the things only I can do. Sitting with a family, buying their first home, negotiating, deciding. And the reason I could get here in 5 months isn't talent, it's repetition. Hundreds of small, unglamorous repetitions. Every error message was a repetition. Every rejected sign up was a repetition. Every 11 p.m. debugging session was a repetition. I trained for this day. I just didn't know that's what it was called while it was happening. So that's what Sahoma AI is. It's not a theory. It's not 10 ChatGPT prompts that will blow your mind. This channel is the real setup from a real operator running real businesses. The wins, the outages, the exact stack, what it costs. If you run a small business, an auto repair shop, a practice, rentals, a solo hustle, you've been told automation is for tech companies with engineering teams. I'm your counterexample. I did this between showings. I did this between rent collections. I did this between helping at the auto repair shop and doing this in multiple languages. Watch my next video. It shows you the exact stack, the front door and the workers, so you can see how the pieces actually connect. If you're a small business operator who wants systems that work while you sleep, subscribe. I'll show you everything I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. I trained for this. Now let's get you training too.